Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to find your Wi-Fi password if in your Windows 10. So if you forgot your password or you just connected to your Wi-Fi and you don't know the password, you can find the Wi-Fi password very easily. So if you forgot your password, so you just have to go to the control search bar here and search for control panel. Search for control panel and the best match will be the control panel app here. So just click on it, and if you have view by large icons here, you have to choose the category option here, otherwise you will not find this network and internet option. So you just have to click the network and internet option here, and you have to choose the network and sharing center here, and this will show you the Wi-Fi connection here as you connected to the Wi-Fi. As you can see, I am connected to the Wi-Fi here and the Wi-Fi name here, so you have to click there in the Wi-Fi here, and then you will have an option called like this here, and here you can see the wireless properties option here. So you have to choose the wireless properties here, and open tab here you can see there's the security tab here, so you just have to click there, and here we go. There you will see an option called network security key, which is the Wi-Fi password for your Wi-Fi. So you just have to click show characters here, check that, and you will see the Wi-Fi password here. This number, this network security key is your Wi-Fi password or the Wi-Fi that you're connected to in your laptop or PC. So that's it guys, this is how you find your Wi-Fi password if you forget your Wi-Fi password or you just wanted to know the password if you were connected to. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.